Hello, children. Here I am back again with yet another rhyme and a quiz for you. But before that, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, come on, children, let's start the quiz. My first question is, can you recognize this tune? Yes, it's the tune of our national anthem Jana Gana Mana. Children, our national anthem Jana Gana Mana is originally composed in Bengali by great poet Guru Rabindranath Tagore. My second question is, can you recognize the Indian flag among these? Yes, you chose the correct one. It's our pride, our national flag, our Tiranga. Tiranga means three colors. In the national flag of India, the top band is of saffron, which indicates the strength and courage. The middle white band indicates peace and trust, with Dharma Chakra in the middle in blue. The last band is in green color, showing the fertility, growth, and auspiciousness of the land. Now, my third question is, when do we celebrate Independence Day? Very good, on 15th of August, that is today. Children, Independence Day is celebrated religiously throughout the country on 15th of August every year. Since on this day we got the freedom from the clutches of British rule of more than 200 years. But have you ever wondered why is the 15th August a holiday? Let me tell you that 15th August is a holiday for every Indian so that we have a chance to pause and remember that there was a time when we were not free. It is a time to recall the mistakes that led us to be ruled by a foreign power so that we never repeat those mistakes again. But our beloved country didn't grow into freedom without struggle. Freedom from the British rule was hard won, and it was the result of the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. Millions of people sacrificed their lives. Many of them were just teenagers when they died. They gave up their lives for us so that we can enjoy freedom. That's why freedom is precious. Independence is precious. Our soldiers guard it with their lives. So many soldiers give up their lives on the borders of our country to ensure that no one invades and occupies even an inch of our motherland. We, the citizens of India, lead carefree lives thanks to our brave soldiers. My dear children, even Independence Day is the time to think about our rights as a free citizen and also our responsibilities and duties as a good citizen. So children, our today's rhyme is also about Independence Day. Come on, sing along with me. All the soldiers marching along, all the children singing a song, all the flowers fresh and sweet, all the flags hung out in the street. We are happy in a special way, for this is our Independence Day. For this is our Independence Day. Happy Independence Day to all. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
Vande मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलाम्